Hello Dr. Charles. Welcome to the future, sir, to the new Vortex XR lab. I am the virtual assistant here, model T100. My job is to explain the activities to the visitors. Have a nice day, sir.
Hello Dr. Poulin, welcome to the future of the XR lab, ma'am. I am the virtual assistant T102. This is the new XR lab model created by Mr. Apu. The lab presents the color of Taylor University black and red. Have a look around, I wish you like it.
Welcome, sir, to the future classroom. Students will learn lessons by interacting with virtual objects. The classroom can be transformed according to lesson needs.
Hi there, this is the corporate room. Every components of the room is high-tech. Participants can experience a holographic projection of ideas like one of you are seeing right now. Feel free to explore.